but this is the topic for next class, basically. I'm going to give you a video for it as well. In fact, I can play it if you guys give me some time. There is an air hostess, basically, and she is giving the safety instruction to the people sitting in the plane. And this is, most of you probably are familiar with this situation. You guys have to talk about, at least break it down, even if it's two sentences, it's fine. But basically, the person will give safety instructions. I mean, I'll send the video. You should be able to get similar video for like an Indian air hostess as well. It's gonna give you a good introduction of some of the safety instruction in Hindi. You'll also get familiar with the vocabulary words around the travel and immigration and the safety equipment that you have in the plane as well. Okay, I would advise you, it's okay to use English words in this particular segment, right? Like seatbelt, if you want to say seatbelt, that's okay, as opposed to kursi ki peti. Okay, oxygen mask, you can say oxygen mask. It's just completely fine. At a minimum, I want you to think about some, if you're lost completely, at least start recognizing some nouns in this situation, and that's totally okay. Even if you come back and say the formula that Hindi mein seat belt ko kya kehte hain, I'll be happy with that also. But I want to, give opportunity to more folks in the next class. If someone who didn't get a chance this week, we'll go over that in the next class as well. Okay.